Let's take a look at the chart action for the total crypto market cap. All right, so let's start kind of back from back here. We had a rising channel going something like this, and we broke right here to the downside. Basically, you could target from the back of the channel, bottom to the top, drag that to the breakout, something like that. And we had a target of around 1.39 somewhere in there, and that's where we pretty much held support. And I was looking at that area right here. I had that purple box there, and we had support right here as well, so I was looking at this area. But anyways, we held support right here when we formed a triangle pattern, and we also kind of formed like a W pattern. Right now we are testing this trend line right here, and it looks like we're about to break out of it. It looks like we're testing it pretty good. I guess we can we're on the daily time frame right now. We can kind of do something maybe like this as well. So I think we're really testing this trend line right now, and it looks like we're maybe about to break it. If you go into like the 4-hour time frame, you could kind of move the trend line a little bit, and it looks like we actually are breaking it. So this is a good sign for the crypto market in general. We have this 180 moving average on the 4-hour time frame right here, and this is about 1.93 trillion. So we might get a little bit of resistance when we come up here. But like I said, we have this W pattern forming something like that, and it could be something like we're breaking it right now, but in general, it looks like we're breaking this trend line, and we are heading to the upside on the total crypto market cap, which is a really good sign. And so like I said, we might have some resistance right here, and we had some previous resistance right here, so it's possible that even like at 1.75 we might see some resistance. We might stop right there and get a little pause. But like I said, this W pattern, if we can break above this green line right here, pretty much, we can target from the top to the bottom of the W pretty much, and it'll be something like that. And then we could target around maybe 2.10 trillion, and that kind of lines up with this trend line from that previous rising channel. So maybe we can kind of look for something that like that in the future. We have to get past this 180 moving average right here, and that's basically what I'm looking at. But in general, I think that since we are breaking this trend line, it is looking way more bullish than it was when we were just kind of in this triangle pattern, kind of waiting to see what happens. I was kind of waiting to see if it was going to go to the downside or if it was going to go to the upside. And right now it looks like we're testing the upside. We haven't really broken through. We haven't broken through completely, and we haven't broken this W pattern. I would like to break above this level right here, this previous high, and then we can have a higher high, which would be perfect. At least it'll have stopped that downward motion. At least it'll be the beginning of it anyways. Alright, if you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.